Hey guys, so this is my first time doing a lip tutorial lip gloss with Wet n Wild lip gloss color. So if you want to know how it turns out on my first ever tutorial on lip gloss and how to wear it and what colors, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so this is my first time doing a lip gloss lipstick tutorial, so please give this video a thumbs up because I've never done anything like this and it's new to me. So the first one I'm going to show you, it's by Wet n Wild. I'm going to show you 3 of them together and apart. So I'm going to do this one first, and then I'm going to add the shimmery one with it to show you. This stuff is my go-to. I don't know the name of it. It is by Wet n Wild. It's like a pinkish shimmery. Then I'm going to show you this rose gold one by Wet n Wild apart from this shimmery one. And this one is really pretty together. So let's get started. So the first one that I'm going to be showing you, this purple one, is called That's My Jam. I picked it up at my local drugstore for like $2.50. So, sorry, my nose itched. So I'm just gonna open it up and I'm going to take out the applicator. If I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror, because it is really hard to do it on camera and not look up in the mirror to make sure that you have everything right. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna add some. On the bottom and the top. And then I'm gonna add some and let it dry like that. And then I'm going to take a piece of toilet paper, rub my lips together, take a Q-tip, see how pretty that is? I'm going to use a piece of toilet paper. Blot it together. That's really pretty. So now I'm going to add this shimmery to it, and it's really pretty. It has an up gear, you just pull it out, put the excess in the bottle. Rub it together. I'm like way off. Then I'm going to take my Q-tip and sorry guys. So there's the first one. I've been practicing on putting on lip gloss because I'm not really sure how to use it. Like I said, this is my first lip tutorial. So look how pretty that is with and without the shimmer. So on to the Wet n Wild rose gold one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the prettiest one I think that Wet n Wild has come out with. It is the rose gold. I picked it up at my local drugstore for $2.50, which is pretty cheap. So I wiped off all the other lip gloss that I was using, and I'm going to just open it up, twirl it out, get the excess off. If I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. You just hat on the bottom. Okay. Then you hold it there. Like, that is super pretty. Like, just by itself. I love it. So now onto the Wet n Wild Shimmery on top of this. It's really pretty. So, pull it out. Wipe off the excess. I did the top and the bottom. Using the toilet paper. And you rub it together. And there you have it. Look how pretty that is with the shimmery part of it. So I will come back with the end result of the three, or I have one more actually to show you. I forgot. So on to the next one. So for last one, I wiped it off. I am just going to show you this Wet n Wild pink rose color. I don't know the name of it because I have had it for a while and all of the writing rubbed off, but I know it is Wet n Wild. So I'm just going to twist it, open it up. This is my go-to one. If I'm in a hurry, I just put this on over top of my lips and it comes out really pretty. Like that. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip. See how pretty this one is by itself? Like, seriously, even though I got a little bit of excess, I'm learning all about lip gloss and lipstick, so bear with me. It's my first time, like I said, doing this video, but this is my go-to one, like, all of the time, and it's really pretty. So I will come back with the end result of the 3 lip gloss by Wet n Wild that I showed you. Hey guys, welcome back to the end result of the 3 lip gloss by WetNWild. I put on, I don't know if you can see, the rose gold with a shimmery. I think it's my new go-to. I really enjoy it. Like I said, this is my first time doing a lipstick lip gloss tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment box down below and I will get to them. Thanks for watching. Bye.